Good Friday afternoon from the First Alert Weather Center. I'm Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson, updating you on the flooding situation developing in North Mississippi. Ongoing rain continues, and this is the end result here in New Albany. A lot of rain funneling into some of these stream beds, creating what you see right there. Some serious issues across parts of North Mississippi. This is our live Viper radar estimate as of 1:30 this afternoon. In the purple, 6 to 8 inches of rain being estimated by the radar. And those areas in the green anywhere between 3 and 6 inches. So some very heavy rainfall really north of Amory. Farther south, we have not had a drop in the Golden Triangle area, but farther north, as you can see right there, it has just been tremendous as far as the rainfall. Town Creek at Tupelo, check it out. This morning, prior to the rain, it was about 2 feet as far as the elevation of that surface, and then it went up to about 20 mid-afternoon, and that is just the end result of all this rain coming on in. The Little Tallahatchie River at Etta, out there in the Holly Springs National Forest, same story. We were around 11 feet this morning prior to the rainfall, and as of the 2:30 hour, about 24.5 feet, so a significant rise in some of these streams and creeks across the region. As of 2:30, we do have flood warnings, flash flood warnings continuing for these areas highlighted in the red. You can see right there, out there towards New Albany again until 5:15. Also, another one until 5 o'clock for areas across southern Lafayette, western Pontotoc, and the areas around Tupelo and Itawamba counties. That is scheduled to expire at 3 o'clock, but again, you still see some rain out there, so we'll just see how it all goes. Flash flood watch remains in effect for this area, the northern half of our viewing area north of West Point, between now and the end of Saturday. So do be advised, more rain is certainly possible here. Moisture totals very significant over the last 24 hours. Officially in Tupelo, nearly 5 inches of rain as of 2 o'clock on this Friday, and it continues to rain in parts of the area. Here's the big setup. We have a stalled frontal boundary just to our north, little waves of energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere coming on over on top of that, and a very juiced up atmosphere getting this train effect. Storm after storm basically going over the same area. It's been going on since the wee hours of this Friday morning. It continues out there on this Friday afternoon. Futurecast picking up on the situation quite well, I do believe. And as we go through time, that area of rain is going to be moving or developing back to the south. So we haven't had anything thus far in the Golden Triangle area today. That will likely change later on this afternoon into the evening hours. More showers and storms likely training across our region as we go throughout the overnight hours into our Saturday morning. So we may wake up to a very wet start on our 4th of July. Don't be too discouraged, though, because I do think overall we are going to see some dry pockets from time to time. Hopefully this activity can become more widely scattered, or at least scattered in nature, as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. So don't write off those fireworks just yet, but we are going to have a very wet start, I think, in many spots on our Saturday, and then we'll carry over those rain chances into Sunday as well. So here's your 7-day forecast updated right now. Low 80s, best case scenario on Saturday if we stay with the clouds and the showers in your backyard, maybe only 70s, and 80% chance of rain Saturday, 70% on Sunday. As we go through time, our rain chances will gradually decrease, temperatures gradually rising back to around 90 by the middle of next week. So that's the latest and greatest here on this Friday afternoon. Join me on WCBI TV for the latest forecast and the latest radar scans at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock tonight.